Shortly after the founding of the United States, British-American architect Richard Upjohn was bringing style to home designs. Hi everyone, Ken here. Welcome to this house. In Columbia County, New York, Upjohn was hired with the expectation of delivering a truly unique house. The requirements called for a large mansion with a tower to overlook the property and to include a mix of both the Federal style and Gothic Revival style. In keeping with traditional design, all of the public rooms were arranged to either side of the main hall. Upon its completion, linden trees were planted to line the property, earning the estate its name, Lindenwald, meaning linden forest in German. The brick mansion was painted in high contrast, with a main body boasting a creamy yellow and the trim holding a deep brown. No two sides of the home were planned to be the same, with it appearing almost sculptural as you rotate around its many faces. It was purchased by famous author and historian Washington Irving, who is perhaps best known for his literary works, The Legend of Sleepy Hollow and Rip Van Winkle. Lindenwald then changed hands to President Martin Van Buren while he was serving as president, though he did not move in until his term had come to an end. Entering the home through the stair hall, our eyes are directed towards a curving staircase with simple but elegant balustrade. As we look up, we can see the stairs tightly spiral about a void towards the top of the tower. The dining room was finished out with elaborate murals to decorate the walls and ornate door surrounds. We can travel through one of these door surrounds to find the living room, with its fireplace centered on the approach. Upon entering, we find that the well-proportioned room was designed to accommodate large furniture, with plenty of space for guests to mingle. Turning around, and in keeping with the Gothic style, a flamboyant pointed arch directs us towards the music room. In the music room, we will note the bold, black marble fireplace mantel inset with a colorful summer cover, something which was highly fashionable for the time. Next, we will find the library, where we can imagine Washington Irving writing stories by candlelight until the wee hours of the night. Heading upstairs, we will arrive at the second-floor stair landing, with plenty of space for staff to pass by, out of the way, as they perform their duties. The bedrooms, with their large windows, allow for a cool breeze on summer days, and each bedroom contains a fireplace for warmth in the harsh winter nights. Surprisingly for the time, the home was equipped with an indoor privy, and in the kitchen, down in the basement, a water pump could bring water directly out of the ground to fill an indoor basin. Also down in the basement, we will find the private dining room, a much more casual place to eat while not entertaining guests. President Van Buren passed away while living in Lindenwald in 1862. Over the next century, the house was modified to include a massive two-story portico, though it has since been removed. Today, Lindenwald is open to the public for guided tours. Did you have a favorite room or architectural feature? Let me know down below in the comments section, and while you're there, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an exciting episode of This House.